y'all, welcome back to my channel. Vanessa here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to apply your false lashes. Guys, without lashes your makeup is incomplete. I'm telling you, your makeup is incomplete. All right, let's just jump right into this. All right, so tools that I normally use would be tweezers. Most people, they use their fingers or their hands, but I can't. So any one of those tweezers will work. And the lash glue that I'm using, or that I normally use, is Duo. And the lashes for today, or the lashes in that video, is from Kiss. And I don't remember what the style is, but I'll list it down below. All right, normally what I do is you just need to place the glue on the band of the lashes, and then you want to let it dry a little bit so it's tacky, so that when you apply it, it just sticks. All right, you want to take your time when doing this, line it up properly. Normally I just secure the middle first, and then I just work my way down to and then secure the outer part. All right, so yeah, you want to place it as close to your real lashes as possible, so that there's no gap in between, so it actually looks like it's growing from your own lashes or your own eyes. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm just continuing to secure the ends to make sure that the lashes, they don't fall off, because that happens. If it's not tacked down properly, it will fall off, and that is so embarrassing when you're out and your lashes is like falling apart. Like, what the hell? So yeah. All right, so that's basically it for the lashes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.